Given the equation x cubed plus y cubed equals 27, solve for y in terms of x. So I have to get y all by itself. The first thing I'm going to do is subtract x cubed from both sides. Cross u out. Y cubed now equals 27 minus x cubed. In order to get y all by itself, we take the cube root of both sides. So cube root. Now, unlike square root, when you take the cube root, you do not attach a plus or minus. Okay, no positive or negative symbols here. So my final answer in the end is just this, the cube root of 27 minus x to the third power. And if you're like, can I simplify that? Nope. You're like, but they're both cubes. Nope, I'm subtracting. Can't simplify it. Can't do it. Don't even try.